Hey, what's up everyone? This is saxophonist Jeanette Harris, and I am so excited to share some quick and easy recipes with you. I am going to kick it off today with Peach Cobbler Dumpling, and it's good, it's delicious, and you guys are going to love it. So let's get started. So all you're going to need is 2 8-ounce cans of crescent rolls. You're going to need 1.5 cups of sugar. You're going to need 1 can of diet squirt or regular squirt, up to you. We're going to use some vanilla, 1 teaspoon of vanilla. We're going to sprinkle some cinnamon on it. Of course, we have 2 sticks of butter because you can't have a dessert without butter, right? And of course, our peaches, because what's a peach dumpling without peaches? I'm going to use jarred peaches, and that's one of the ways I'm making it quick and easy. You can always go and get your fresh ones and cut them up and all that, but I just want to buy them in jars so I can get them out, get them in, and then get to eating, okay? So let's put it all together. All right, I popped my first can of crescent rolls. I'm going to go ahead and roll it out. And that part is not hard at all in my pan. And as you see, they're pretty separated. So you can either pull them apart like that, or you can use a knife and separate it, however you like. But once you get it apart, it's really simple. So we're going to go through that. Now once you get them apart, we're going to get a peach. And if the peach is small, because these are canned peaches, so if they're small, just add 2. You can always add 2 slices of peaches. If they're really big, you may want to just add 1. That's up to you, but the more peaches, the better. And then you just roll it up like that. We had a peach fall out, but guess what? I pushed it right back in. So next we're going to, you want to melt your butter, get that butter nice and melted, and you're going to add the sugar to the butter. And we're just going to stir it, get that all in there, and let's just stir it till it mixes up well. Make sure you guys can see it's pretty simple. And then we're going to add a teaspoon of vanilla. And that's just going to add a little flavor. I want you guys to know that you actually don't have to add vanilla. Like, if you don't have vanilla, you can still make it. Like, I made it without vanilla and it's really good still. So don't let that stop you, okay? I want to make sure you guys, you know, can make it regardless of what you have. Sometimes people just don't have vanilla all the time, so if you have it, definitely add it. It adds a nice little special flavor. But if you don't, you can still make it without it, and it'll be really good. All right, so that's mixed. Now it's time to put it all together. So we're just gonna first sprinkle a little bit of cinnamon over our roll. There it is. Has that nice brown color to the top. You guys can see it. You can also add a nutmeg, so if you're really into that. I'm not a big fan of nutmeg, so I don't use it often, but you definitely can. I know a lot of people love it. And then we're just going to pour our sugary mixture all over the top. And that looks so good. Yep, just like that. Make sure you get it all over every last one. Scoop every bit of the sugar out, because the more sugar, the sweeter it's going to be, right? Of course, the butter will make it nice and smooth. I think we got everything out. So now it looks just like that. And guess what we're going to do at the very end? We're going to add some diet squirt. all on the side. One can, one full can. Not a half a can, I'm talking one full can of Diet Squirt. You could go up the middle a little bit, and you could go down the middle, but you just don't want to get it exactly right on top, because that would just be too much. And this is going to go in the oven for about 50 minutes. And as I said, the temperature is 350 degrees. There you go. Now I know you guys are saying, what the heck did she just do? She just ruined the whole thing. Trust me, this is going to be bomb. Alright, I'll see you guys in about a few minutes so I can show you the final product and we're going to taste it. Alright? Alright, I just put them in the oven and guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to dance to my music. Of course, all of the music you're listening to is from your girl Jeanette Harris. I am a saxophonist. I have 5 CDs out there. So all of my videos will feature a lot of my music. So I hope you guys are enjoying the music. I'm going to groove to my music while I wait for the Peach Cobbler Dumplings. I hope you guys are having fun. We're almost done. Peach Cobbler will be out in a minute. Alright, I just took it out of the oven. It smells so good, and look at that. Look at that. It looks delicious. I'm going to let it sit for probably 10 minutes or so because it's really, really hot. There's a lot of sugar and butter and it's syrupy, so it's going to take a while for it to settle, and all of the juices will settle into the dumpling, and then we will serve it. So I'll be right back. Alright, so now it's time to taste. I have my Peach Cobbler Dumpling, and I'm going to go ahead and give it a try because I'm starving. I want some now. And it's really hot, so be careful, you guys. That is delicious. This is some good stuff right here. Okay. Now hold up, I'm gonna give me one more little piece. I don't want y'all seeing me grubbing, but this is really good. That is great. The top, and like I said, you probably feel like the soda is like, where did that come from? It actually helps it to stay really moist. And it just brings, you know, kind of melts the sugar and the butter, and it all comes together and caramelized. And it's just good. Of course, you can have it with ice cream, but guess what? You don't even have to have it with ice cream. You can just eat it just like this. You'll be good. So I want to thank you guys again for tuning in. I will be back with some more fun, quick and easy recipes. But until then, hey, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.